How to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004de25 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Sign out and sign back into OneDrive. Authentication glitches can prevent OneDrive from verifying your account, leading to sign-in errors. Signing out and back in refreshes the session and may resolve the issue. If that didn't work, corrupted OneDrive settings or cache can cause persistent sign-in issues, which a reset can fix by restoring the app to its default state without deleting your synced files. If that didn't work, fix 3. Update OneDrive to the latest version. An outdated OneDrive app might have compatibility issues with Windows or Microsoft servers, leading to sign-in failures. Updating ensures you have the latest fixes. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions and it will install the latest version on your device. Old or corrupted credentials stored in Windows can interfere with OneDrive's authentication process, causing the error. Clearing them removes problematic entries. If that didn't work, fix 5. Check network and firewall settings. Network restrictions, such as firewalls or proxies, can block OneDrive from connecting to Microsoft servers, resulting in sign-in errors. Adjusting these settings can help. Corrupted system files can disrupt OneDrive's ability to authenticate, leading to errors like 0x8004de25. SFC and DISM tools can repair these files and restore functionality. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.